Hello and welcome to the channel. So today I've got some products here that's going to be focusing more about protecting the interior of your vehicle. I'm someone that kind of takes pride and have like a nice clean car. I hand wash the cars at home. Both of our cars, I've never been to a car wash. I don't have anything against car wash, but I've had cars before where those cars got swirl marks on them, and I just didn't want them for these cars. And so I'm not going to get into the whole Tesla and car wash stuff in here, but there's a video about that you can check out. But those cars are hand washer homes. And when I wash the cars, I do thorough detailing. Like I'm literally like cleaning every spot, vacuuming everything. Basically, I like to keep the inside of the car clean. And if you have floor mats from Tesla, they come original OEM floor mats from the factory. You get the little carpet floor mats where it works, but I live in Florida, it rains, and when those things get wet, you know, maybe in Florida doesn't have a problem because of the heat. It dries up pretty quickly, but I have had times where it did not dry quickly. And yes, you can get a musty smell where winter now, where a lot of places have snow, and you go into those cars with the snow and everything kind of melting your carpet. Now it's kind of damp and you get a musty smell. The best thing you do in those cases is to change your floor mats to all-weather carpet. So basically the rubber type mats where things don't soak into it. If you go in there and make a mess, you can just simply just take it out, dust it off and everything. If you have little kids, I've got little kids where as much as I don't want them eating and drinking in the car, sometimes you can't avoid it. And of course, accidents happen. What I'm just trying to say here is if you even spill a drink in the car and it gets into your carpet, when you have this all-weather carpet, you don't have to worry about clean out that mess. Simply just take it out, rinse it off and dry it off and it goes back in, unlike the carpet mat where it's going to soak in there. But what I'm here to talk about is this option here from Yeslak. You can get carpets from Tesla and everything, but then you have an option here from Yeslak that I feel like it's actually probably a little bit more better quality. It's a lot stronger and everything. A little cheaper too. But I've got this one here from Yeslak. This is going to be a two-part video. So this is going to be focused about the floor mats itself. There will be a separate video where I'm going to be talking about a slew of car protection kits from Yeslak, protecting your trunk floor, your seat backs, inside of your car. That'll be a separate video. So look out for that. If you're not subscribed on that note, make sure you hit that button and you subscribe so you don't miss it. But for this video here, I'm going to be talking about this floor mat here from Yeslak. It's going to be a floor mat for your front seats, driver's, passenger, and your rear seat. So on that note, let's jump into it and see what's in this package over here. All right, so I've got this box here. All right, so one beautiful thing about this carpet here, so when you go onto the site to order, you have two options. You can choose to order one that's just the all-weather protection by itself, or the option of all-weather and carpet. So if you like the softness and the texture of having the carpet, they have this option here. But the good thing though is this is on top of the all-weather, so if you spill anything, it's not going into your actual car floor. It's going to be going into this. So you've got this option here that's got the all-weather on top of it, and so without that, this is what you have. If you get that, you won't have this option here. You have this Velcro pieces here that is ready to go, and on the back of this carpet you have this. So again, this is nice here. It's actually pretty good. You got a little bit more of extra layer here, and that just simply goes on top of this spots there. And this is the driver's side. That's for the dead pedal, and this goes under your pedal. So that's driver's side. That's one. And then we're going to get to the for the passenger side. Same thing. You can see that goes up there, and similarly, you've got the carpet on top of it. Again, Velcroed in. This gives you that extra cushion and support, and I would say it's pretty good quality. And so that's that. And then for the big guy in the back, you also have the same thing. you've got the carpet, and you've also got the all-weather. Like I said, if you are somewhere where you're looking, you don't want to get through, you don't want to deal with getting this wet, you can simply just take this off and keep this alone. Only thing you have then is you have the Velcro pieces in there, and these are actually like built into the carpet. You can't take them off, but you can choose to just take this off and keep this, or if you want both of them, then you have that in there. So again, you get the comfort and the cushion of the carpet, the protection of this, and this has this little tiny grooves in here that looks like it will actually like sit into the floor of the car, and what that would do is it will prevent this from moving around, which is actually very good. I've had a few carpets and you put it in the car and they don't have anything that's holding them down and they just kind of slide around. This has these little tiny spikes in here that will actually like go into the floor and stay in place. So with this now, let's go fit them into the car and see how they look. All right, got the old carpet all ripped out already. Gonna move this seat to the back. Car is all vacuumed and detailed out, and so this is gonna go in like so. It's very easy. It's also lightweight and easy to undo. So just go. And you have this little nice cutout for around the edges here that kind of makes it fit in place nice and perfectly. What someone else I also like is you have this lip over here, so it's not just flat and flush. You have a lip that's around all the sides, and this is also flat enough that things can still, you know, if you have like a little underseat storage, it's flat enough, but on everywhere else you've got a lip, and that's it. It's a very, very, very perfect fit. Like I said, this one here has this little extra thing here for support for your heels when you're putting your legs for the pedal. You've got something for the dead pedal over there, and it looks very, very nice, very OEM. If I was to take this off, that's what it will look like. It still looks pretty very good, very nice. I like it. It's just subtle. You've got this little nice lines in here. It's just in there. But yeah, that's that. I'm gonna put this back here. That's it. Driver's side is done. So let's take this guy. I'm gonna come from this side for this one. I'm just going to open it up and like I said, the measurement is honestly, it's really so very precise that you can't just miss where it's gonna go. And just like that, you put it down and it fits in. Like I said, this also has a lip here that's coming to the side here, on the back here, and I'm just gonna press it down so it's all in the groove, and that's it. And now for the front passenger seat. So if you're someone who doesn't like vacuuming too much, or you don't want to deal with this carpet, again, just stick it out and that's it. That's it. Again, cutouts are perfectly in place. Everything goes and everything sits perfect and flush. And that's it. And this is not moving. It's so well fitted to the sides that it's just not. Look at that. It's trying to move it. It's not moving. So now with the carpet in place, you see, it's very comfortable. It's very nice, and this is really good. Again, if you're looking for protection for your car, especially if you just got to purchase your Tesla, you're trying to not do too much, just get this carpet right from day one and get your car protected. You got the front seat and your rear. You have two options. You can say you can get one without the carpet, you can get one with the carpet, but either way, I think it's a very good investment. You get best of both worlds with the carpet and the regular, and if you just want one, you can take this off, or you can just buy the all-weather by itself. And so those are the carpets. These are from Yeslak, and if you want to order yours, you can go to the website yeslak.com. They have carpets, they have accessories, they have modifications, they have a bunch of things. Anything you order, use the code TITOFFER, TIT offer, and you will get a discount off of your order. I've not had any issues with them when it comes to customer service or shipping or quality of their product. And so I believe you also probably enjoy their products again. Yeslak.com, TITOFFER for discount off of your order. And I hope this has been useful for you. Don't forget to look out for part 2 of this video that's going to be talking about a more comprehensive interior car protection kit, also from Yeslak. So don't forget to check out that video. And if you're not subscribed, do that so you don't miss out when that drops. See you next time.